Jang Waterfall in Arunachal Pradesh. This is one of the uh, natural waterfall that has been in Arunachal. It is said that according to the monsoon, at the rainy season, this waterfall directly falls in the river directly without any problem. So here is the river where the water falls down straight in the river. This is how this is scenery, and we can also look around the beauty of the falls and the scenery around it. It's quite amazing. The landscapes are quite amazing. I believe everybody is enjoying. It's beautiful.